Right, I'm a little bit bored today, so I'm making banana bread, and these bananas were looking at me in the basket, so I thought, why not make a banana bread? Alright, so I'm giving it a good mash. Okay, let's add some melted butter to the mashed banana, and I'm using about half a cup of melted butter, and this is salted butter, so I won't be adding any salt to this. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda, followed by half a teaspoon of baking powder. Gonna give this a little mix, and I'm gonna add in 2 large beaten eggs, and I'm adding 3/4 cup of dark brown sugar. Now for some vanilla. Just finishing what's in the bottle. So it's about 1.5 teaspoons. I love the flavor of vanilla, so I can't get enough of it. To the mixture, I'm going to add a few banana chips. Time for the flour, and I'm using 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add the rest. Time to pour the mixture into the tin. I've greased the tin with some butter, and I'm going to put it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's 175 degrees centigrade for 50 minutes, but it must be checked intermittently to make sure it's not burning and it's cooking evenly. Give it a little tap to remove any bubbles. A little clean around. The next time I see you, it is when the cake is ready to be eaten. Okay, I've just taken this out of the oven after 50 minutes. And as you can see, skewer is clean. So I'm just going to leave it here for the next, say, 10 to 15 minutes and let it cool before I take it out of the tin. And then I'll be able to show you what it looks like inside. And there you have it, guys. My delicious and moist banana bread.
so moist.